How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to an episode of fishing with me, DYangBass. Today we're not bass fishing, we are catfishing again with my boy Danny. This is a late intro, I'll be honest. We caught some nice cats, we got some action. Stay tuned, and we're gonna wait for the sun to go down and see if we catch more cats. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the water. Alright, let's see if some catfish over here. Again, we're using chub meat. Nice bloody chub meat. Fish is slow. Got one? Whoa! Let's go! Slow down. That's a big one, dude. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Dude, that's a big one. Oh, my boy, Danny clutch. That's a nice fish. Spawned out. Look how skinny it is. I got it on video.
Dang.
Good job, dude. Spawned out. Look at the stomach on that thing.
Oh, it's being popped for sure.
Yep. What I tell you, boy? Alright, we got two rods going in. Let's see what else we got. Oh man, look at all this juice. Oh, this sloppy Joe. Look at that. That's it? Yeah. Get a new one. Oh, got a bite. Oh, shit, he's on. Oh no, it popped off. Oh, you saw that? Dang. What the heck? It popped off. Yeah, I did. Dang it, I threw my nice reel in the mud. Oh, there he goes again. I think he's touching it. They're over there by the rocks. As soon as I pick it up, they drop it. Got one? Dude, he's off. Dude, he almost put my rod in the water. Yeah, my rod almost went in the water, dude. Oh my god, I got all on video. That's a big cat. That's a big cat. Jeez, look at him go. Dude, I'm still drinking my Gatorade. Oh yeah. Alright, chill. Not done yet. You saw how a rod almost went in the water. Oh shit. Oh, it's a nice girthy guy. And my hook's is pretty much done. Cause he's swallowed. You got your plier?
Yeah.
Where is it? It's in the bag. Oh, I got another one. Hey, I might need you to help me, bro.
Huh?
Yeah. Dude, he set my rod freaking flying. Jeez. Oh yeah, this plier is way better.
You need pliers?
No, I got it. Nice. Nice old cat. All right, we'll be keeping them. Won't go through. There he goes. Oh, here we go, here we go. Look at my line, look at my line. You see it? Oh, dude. What was that? Yeah. Dude, it went hard as heck. Oh. He didn't touching it. Dang, he let it go. They are so fast, dude. I'm gonna need you to help me, dude. Oh, there you go, there you go. Oh, dude, it popped off again. Did you see that? Freaking A, man. I need you to help me, bro. I want you 2 lines. My eyes are getting cross-eyed. First you can. That's fine, that's good. No, it's gonna stay like that. Just set the hook and then reel it. Dude, watch how fast it goes, dude. It goes fast as hell. Ooh, oh, I got him.
You got it?
Yep, I got him. Oh, dude, that's crazy. Watch though, just watch that one, That's a big, oh, that's a big cat.
That's a big one, that's a big one.
That's a big cat. I think I got you.
You got me?
No, I don't. Oh, now he's coming. Yeah, he's coming to you now.
Oh, God.
Jeez. I got the line?
No.
Oh, okay, good. Oh my God. Reel that one in. Oh my gosh. What the hell is going on? Whoa. Yeah. That was cool. It's the chub meat, dude. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of what's going on, we're catching catfish off of cut baits, right? I'll show you guys right here. So what I did was I went to the creek, caught a bunch of chubs, sliced them all up, and if you're going to use it the day after, right, I recommend that you freeze it, but then in the middle of the night, once it freezes, take it out and thaw it out where it's nice and bloody and smelly. So that's what I did with these. It just gives a better scent. The blood just marinates the meat a lot better. You could definitely mix it up with like chicken liver and shrimp and all that. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The best part, and now I got a lot of people asking me, what's the best part to use for cut bait? I like to use the head. The head is the best part for catfish cut baits. And yeah, we're using 1 pinch sinker. It's not deep here. It's about maybe 3-4 feet of water. It's not bad at all. Again, we're just using 2-aught hooks, pinch sinker, fishing shallow water, and we're gonna just grind it out. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Hopefully we catch more, okay? Every time I look away, something bites it. Oh, I got one. Yep. I wasn't even paying attention. Smallie. Oh, it's a walleye. Bro, I got a walleye. What the heck?
You got walleye?
Yeah, but it's got to be 18 out here, so it's definitely not going to make it. I got my ruler, too.
You gotta be 18.
I doubt it. Nope. Go. That's a fish. Set it. Wait. Pick it up. Just pick it up. Do you feel it?
No.
You're on, dude. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What is that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a turtle.
It's a turtle?
I don't know. No, I don't know. It's big.
It's not fighting back? What is it? It's a tree.
Keep your rod tip closest to the water. Go to the water. Go to the water. Go to the water.
Coming.
Oh, it's a fish.
Fish. What is that?
Is it a mud skipper?
I'm scared, bro.
What is it? Oh, it's a turtle, bro. Oh shit. They got a turtle. That's gross. That's the guy. We don't do anything. We just cut it off, dude. That's it. Ooh.
You can eat these, right?
Yeah, but we. Oh, bro, you bit the thing.
Yeah, you're just gonna cut it, right?
Yeah, you just gotta. Here, I'll pull it and you just cut.
Claws.
Just cut. Wait, let me stretch it out for so you can't strike it. Just cut his head off. I was kidding. Just cut the. Hurry up, you. There he goes. Nice, dude. Pick him up. Pick
No,
him
I'm good. You pick him up.
Oh, yeah, he can bite. Wait, no, dude. Oh shit. No, wait. I don't want him back in the water. Oh, sorry. He's gonna go eat again. We got a turtle, dude. Get ready. Tighten the line. Just hold it. If you feel it moving, just set the hook. Just wait. Just hold it. Dude, watching me, dude. Your almost went in the water again. Could be little cats. Oh, go! I got fish. Oh, just one. Oh, dude's huge. That was huge. Gosh. That's a big one.
Dude, that's a big one.
Alright, catch and release. Got the bass. You got the fish that was waking around, right? Yes. Peace. Let's go, dude. Alright, made it to the island, guys. Let's see if we catch a couple more before it gets dark. It is prime time, so let's see if we can find some. We're back here at Burlington. I'm gonna let him take it this time. Got him. That's a big one. Oh, dude, this thing's huge. Oh, it broke off. Damn. Got him. That's a nice one. Oh, I got a walleye. Nice. Oh, dude, can't keep this guy. Nice, random walleye. Sheesh. Oh, got him. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big fish. Oh shit. Get over here. That's a big cat. Oh, where'd he go? Get out of the water. That's a big cat. Oh! That's a big cat. Yeah. Oh, jeez. Nice. Got him. Jeez. Oh, shit. This guy's my heart. Where'd he go? There you go. That's a nice one. Woo! This guy's skinny. I'm gonna let this guy go. He's a little skinny and he's all beat up. Little guy. Got him. Oh my, oh dude, this guy's big. Oh shit, that's a fighter. Oh, he's not coming out. Oh, this thing's huge. Jeez. Oh, dude, this thing's huge. Oh, it's a nice one. Dang. That's a nice one. Damn, freaking rocks. Dang, he's still going. Oh, this thing's nice. Yeah. Got him! Oh! This thing is huge. He's not coming out. There he goes. Dang. Oh shit. That's a nice fish. Oh guys. No, get out the rabbit. That's a nice fish. Woo! Stack here. Oh, that guy's huge. Wow. Bro, the guy looks weird. I'm gonna let you go, bro. You look kind of weird, man. I'm gonna let you go. Oh. Got him. I got him, Danny. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think so. Oh, dude. Alright guys, well, I think we're gonna end it here, okay? Because it's getting pretty dark. It's actually a nice juicy one too.